If Telegram is stuck updating on your PC, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple fix that usually solves the problem in just a few minutes. We'll go through 3 easy steps: force closing Telegram, manually reinstalling the latest version, and checking your connection or VPN settings. This is a quick troubleshooting guide, so if it helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more useful tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, we need to completely close Telegram. Sometimes the app gets stuck in the background and that stops the update from finishing properly. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and S at the same time to open Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, look through the list for Telegram or Telegram Desktop. If you see it running, right-click on it and choose End Task. This forces Telegram to fully close and clears out any stuck process that may be blocking the update. After that, wait a few seconds and check if the update continues normally. If the issue is still there, the next step is to manually reinstall Telegram Desktop. This does not usually delete your chat history, because Telegram stores your messages in the cloud, not just on your computer. To do this, open your browser and go to the official Telegram Desktop website. Make sure you download the standard Windows or PC version from the official source so you avoid any unsafe or modified files. Once the download finishes, run the installer file. In most cases, this will safely patch over your existing installation and replace any damaged or outdated app files. Let the installation complete, then launch Telegram again and see if the updating problem is fixed. If Telegram still won't update properly, the issue may be related to your network connection, VPN, or firewall. Sometimes, security tools or VPN services can interrupt the update process and prevent Telegram from reaching its servers. Try temporarily disabling your VPN first, then check whether the update goes through. If that doesn't help, you can also temporarily turn off your firewall and test the app again. If Telegram updates successfully after disabling one of these, then you found the cause. In that case, you may need to add Telegram to your firewall's allowed apps or adjust your VPN settings so it can connect normally. After trying these steps, reopen Telegram and give it a moment to check for updates again. In many cases, one of these fixes will get everything working right away. So to recap, first force close Telegram in Task Manager, then reinstall the latest desktop version from the official website, and finally check whether your VPN or firewall is blocking the update. These 3 steps solve most Telegram updating issues on Windows PC. If this tutorial saved you time, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more helpful fixes like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.